And I think that it should be a continuous archiving so that at least we don't have to then have a special session to archive it. And that's what and please, I think that should be taught in the schools. This should be a craft children will love to do.
All of our memories and stories are extremely important. And so today we have various archiving projects that will be sharing their work with you today.
Where young people are is where I like to be. Coming back here, I have been assured that I've been an inspiration to a lot of people.
So within the last 3 days, it's been such an amazing experience. And it's just been an amazing contribution to be able to see so many conversations happening, really having the conversations of really how they saw Ghana through different generations, from the pre-independent, post-independent. It's just amazing to really see the community come together and really have the purpose on why our history and our culture is so important. I want this workshop to be a call to action, not just to our communities, but to our government, to everyone. Because if we're not archiving, preserving, or even acknowledging our family's history, we will not be able to actually see it in the future. So let's make sure that we come together within our families, our communities, our schools, our friends, and archive. Even it can be a family event, it can be a friends event, you can even do it at a birthday party. Come and let's archive our photos so that 100 years from now, we can see what Ghana was throughout all these generations and really be proud to be who we are as
Ghanaians. My studio was like a community center. And he used to meet this one, or she used to meet him at my studio. How they knew about it and put the two together, I don't know.
3, 2, 1, James!